Alright, good afternoon everyone. I am going to show you two more examples related to normal distribution. Okay, so let's go through the exercises that I have provided earlier. Okay, let's have a look at question number 2. Okay, if you look at the question, the random variable x is normally distributed with mean 80 and standard deviation 12. What is the probability that a value of x chosen at random will be between 65 and 95? Okay, let's open up our Paint. Alright, so if you look at the question, okay, you are given the mean 80, standard deviation 12. Okay, so mean equals to 80. Okay, right. Standard deviation equals to 12. Alright, so what you are trying to find is the probability that a value of x chosen at random will be between 65 and 95. Alright, so you are trying to find P of x between 65 and 95. Okay, so this is 65 and this is 95, right? Okay, now first of all, you need to convert both to the z-score. So you can write it down directly. So the probability of 65 minus your mu, which is 80, over 12. Sorry. Okay, so this is going to be changed into a z-score. Okay, so on the right hand side, you do the same thing. You use the formula to convert x into a z value. So 95 minus 80 divided with 12. Alright. Okay, so P equals to P. Okay, you can use your calculator. 65 minus 80 divided with 12. Is a negative 1.25. Okay, and this is Z. And this one, it will be 95 minus 80 divided with 12. 1.25. Okay, now if you have a look at the Z value, you can sketch the graph of your normal distribution. Okay, So if this is 0, this is 1.25, because it's like a ruler. So the positive value will be here, and a negative 1.25 would be actually having the same distance with 1.25. Okay, so this is negative 1.25. Okay, alright. So the area that we are looking at is this area here. Okay, now if you look at your Z table, okay, this is your Z table. This table gives you the big area, so you can imagine that this is 1.25, and this one, it gives you the small area, which is the negative 1.25. So it means that we are looking at both tables. This table, we are looking at 1.25 here. It gives you the big area. So 1.25 would be giving you 0.8944. So minus, you want to minus this small area here, so you are looking at the second table here, which minus that small area that you don't want. So this one, we are looking at negative 1.25, so the value would be 0.1056. 0.1056, 0.1056. Okay, so you just minus the two. You just minus that from 0.8944, so you will be getting a value (0.7888). Okay, so this is how you find the value that is in the middle. Okay, alright, so now let's check our answers there. So this is number 2, 1. So number 2, 1. Okay, here. So we managed to get the answers for question number 2. Alright, there's one more example that I would like to show you. Okay, let's have a look at question number 5. Okay, I need to show you a question that gives you the probability and you want to find the value of x. Okay? Okay, a test has been devised to measure a student's level of motivation during high school. The motivation scores on this test are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 25 and standard deviation of 6. The higher the score, the greater the motivation to do well in school. Okay, now John is told that 35% of the students taking the test have higher motivation scores than he does. What was John's score? So it means that if you see the whole population as 100%, so John is exactly at the 65% of the score. So let's try to sketch this. Okay, now if we say that it is normally distributed, so it means that John is here, John is here, and this is 35%. This is 35%. 5%, Okay, 35% is also equivalent to what? 0. 35 over 100 is 0.35. Yeah. Yes, 0.35, Okay, now, if you see this, Wait, Oh, sorry.